Hello everyone, my name is Fazal. You are watching MFA Civil Engineering. False ceiling is a secondary ceiling hang under the main roof ceiling. It is also termed as the drop ceiling or suspended ceiling. False ceiling is now become an integrated part of the modern living as well as in the field of the architectural and the interior designers. False ceiling has a thermal insulation properties as well as soundproof properties. False ceiling also provide a good lighting for the offices and the home interiors. It provide a good looking appearance or the pleasant appearance for the rooms. The materials like PVC, gypsum, laminated tiles, acoustic mineral fiber ceilings, T-grade sections or T-grade frame gypsum panels are commonly used for making a false ceiling. For the installation of a false ceilings, firstly, all the required measurement of a ceiling, that is the length, width and the height of the ceiling from the floor, is taken for the each room where the false ceiling is to be installed. Then material requirement for the false ceiling is calculated depend on the size of the ceiling. Then the ceiling leveling is done with the level pipe because most of the time the slab are not leveled. The ceiling need to be in a one level for the correct installation of a false ceiling. After leveling procedure is completed, marking is done on a ceiling at a distance of 2 to 4 feet each. Marking is also done in a side wall at a height where the false ceiling will be suspended below the original ceiling. Then hooks and the metal ceiling angle strips are fixed to the ceiling. These fittings become the chief support for the false ceilings. Once the hooks are fitted, framing is done. For framing, parameter channels are fixed on the wall at a height where the false ceiling will be suspended. The parameter channels and the free end of the hooks are connected with the other channels. This arrangement become the fixed sections of the false ceiling that act as the main foundation of the false ceilings. To hang or support the false ceiling from the main ceiling, anchor fasteners are used. Anchor fasteners provide a great support to the secondary ceilings. Then ceiling sections are fitted to the main foundation framing that enable the attaching the plaster board or any other material used for the false ceilings. Then section joints created are connected using a clip that offer a strong and the durable joints. These connecting clips also help for the easy installation of a plaster board. Once the framing for the false ceiling is complete, wiring for the lights, fan and other necessary electrical work is then completed. Then plaster board of a required thickness attached to the framework with the help of the drywall screw. Then joints and the edges are covered and finished using a jointing compound and the paper tapes. These not only give the ceiling a clean finish but also strengthen the joints. Then false ceiling is given a smooth finish with the skimming plaster. Once the finishing process is over, then electricians are called to install the light fittings, do final wirings and the other electrical works. Then the ceiling is now ready to be painted. A basic rectangular false ceiling will take about 1 week to be ready, while to have a curvature or any other design false ceiling, it will take about 10 to 12 days.